Good afternoon. This is Surabhi Vinod here from Namma Varte Hitavarte. In this week's episode, we will be covering a forgotten issue in the tech hub of India. The daily women ridership count of the state buses has crossed 60 lakh from the previous average of 42 lakh, following the implementation of the Shakti scheme by the new government since the June of this year, which provides free bus travel throughout Karnataka for women. Bengaluru is shifting trends towards sustainability using electric buses. BMTC has installed digital display boards and Namma BMTC application for users. Besides all this, the condition of the bus shelters are unfavorable to commuters. In a total of 8,500 bus stops, only an estimated 1,000 have bus shelters. Even those are rendered unusable.
Challenges of using public transport are often discussed, but basic infrastructure that requires improvement is not vocalized enough. So, I'm addressing the issues with bus shelters in Bengaluru.
The time is 3:15 p.m. on a sprinkling yet bustling Saturday afternoon, 29 November. 500 meters away from Kempegowda bus station is the Majestic railway station and the metro, providing connectivity to almost all areas in Bengaluru, making it the biggest station with over 8 lakh people using it on a daily basis. Let us now listen to what commuters have to say. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಸರ್?
ನಾವಿರೋದು ಯಶವಂತಪುರ.
ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
25 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಈ ಬಸ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟಿ ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರದು BMTC ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನು, ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಅನ್ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲಾರಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ.
Now, let us take a look at the Gorgontepalia bus stop, which is an important tri-junction in the heart of Bangalore.
This center connects to Hebbal, Majestic and Nelmangla on each side. Therefore, it's crowded and people are seen waiting on the roadside. Commuters face increased accident risks amid road congestions and face difficulties when it rains as potholes becomes obscured.
Where are you traveling to?
I'm traveling to Hesagata.
What's your opinion about transforming this center into a bus shelter?
I'm actually a student of St. Clara TU College and I use this route on a daily basis. It would be better if they change this center into a bus stand, because this place over here is really crowded and I see many of the people standing here always, and I find it very difficult to travel here because there is a public toilet over here which is a great barrier for people to stand here, and I think this is very unhygienic and it has to change into a bus stop. And I also think that it is very difficult to stand under the sun, and also when it is raining, people doesn't have a proper shelter over here to stand.
We are here at Chikbanavara bus shelter, in which vendors occupy more space than commuters, hampering accessibility and posing safety concerns.
According to commuters, this shelter has been used by vendors for years and is unattended by the administration. If this view had been altered to a waiting room with a well-equipped washroom, we would not have seen people rushing to get a cover for rain, improper waste management, and unauthorized access.
The lack of basic infrastructure is a huge concern in many places of Karnataka. It's just not a one-person problem. It's the voices of thousands of people using public transport on a day-to-day basis. Therefore, it is our duty to address the issue, to prompt the Public Transport Department, Revenue Department, along with the local authorities to take action and make public transportation more inclusive. We will see you all in the next episode of Namma Varte Hita Varte with a hot new issue. This is Surabhi Vinod with Supriya Gangadhar signing off.